my! Look at this poor little bus. It is covered in mud and dirt. I think our friends have a very big cleaning job today. First, they need lots and lots of bubbly soap. Bubble, bubble, scrub and shine. But be careful, buddy. Everyone has a job. Scrub, scrub, scrub away. And Chef Bot is scrubbing both sides out. Now comes the big rinse. Hold on tight, everyone. This hose has a lot of power. Bubbles left and right. Look up high. The roof needs cleaning too. Up high, down low. Even Buddy is help job. Wonderful! Wipe, wipe, shine so bright. The windows are becoming crystal clear. Almost finished. Polish, polish, shine and glow. One final polish. Look at that! Look how clean our bus can go! And that's how teamwork turned a muddy old bus, clean and shiny, bright and new, into a bright, shiny, happy bus.